Welcome back to our AIGeniusX YouTube channel. Today we continue with the series of tutorials on creating short viral video content on YouTube Short or TikTok Short platforms by applying AI technology. From there, you can build a channel and make money from short viral videos. And here are some typical examples. To make a video like the one above, first we will use Chat GPT to create prompts to generate images for the video. So I will access Chat GPT and request to execute some commands as follows. Please pay attention. Here are some commands I will ask Chat GPT to perform. For example, here I have a sample prompt generate image as a reference. From the sample prompt as reference above, I will ask Chat GPT to create other new prompts. So here are the prompt generate image results that Chat GPT created for us. Next step, I will use these prompts to generate images for the video with another AI platform. For example, here I will choose any prompt. Next I will use an AI platform called Dzine AI. I have made many tutorial videos about this platform and have full instructions on how to create an account and how to use it. You can review the previous video. Now we will go into the details. I will start creating a new project on Dzine AI. Next, select the text-to-image function. We will set up the model as usual. Here I will choose Flux Pro model. I will try to create an image with any prompt on Dzine AI. So here are some very cool image results, very cute images. I will do the same with other prompts to create some other results. Please practice with me. I will expand on the content creation enhancement section. I will ask GPT Chat to execute the following commands. So we have been prompted to create new content. Very great, huh? Next, I will select this image to convert into a moving video with the image-to-video function of Dzine AI. Converting this photo to video is also made simple on Dzine AI. This is a new experimental feature of Dzine AI, but the efficiency is much better than other platforms. Although Dzine AI's video creation efficiency is in beta, it is no less effective than other video creation platforms and may be superior to Dzine AI. The animations are very smooth and bug-free. Must say it is absolutely amazing. Finally, we will insert videos and edit complete videos with Capcut PC. Editing is very simple, you just need to find a cute song to insert into the video. So, we have just practiced making a short viral video about animals using the AI platform. Hope you will like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to share so I have more motivation to make new videos. Thank you and see you in the next videos. Bye.